Tero, Junttilla, you're the CTO of Woolman. Winter editions from Shopify just came out a while back. What's your initial take on the editions and all the releases there, Tero?
These are always interesting days when Shopify comes with these editions. A lot of new opportunities and a lot of new tools for merchants. And of course, you can say that, yeah, Shopify has been doing a lot of work in the background. There was quite a lot new releases that they came up with. Of course, at the same time, and we have to say that everything is not released yet. They might be in the developer preview or early access, or it might be that it's only available in a certain market. And there is a bunch of those things, but there's a couple of things that are really, really interesting. And yeah.
Great. Tero, what would be the thing that you would like to point out to our viewers and listeners? What's the number one thing that you really like that was being released there, and why?
Well, I think that maybe the number one thing is not just like something that they just released, but what they really improved is the checkout extensibility. Like it's been coming for a long time. Like they have released this one-page checkout, and this is kind of part of a much bigger, broader subject that they kind of completely changed the way how checkout is customized. It used to be a scripts and things like a little bit sketchy, and you didn't have a lot of options to do. Now they changed it completely to app game. Like there will be a lot of different kind of apps that are providing directly checkout customization, but also a lot of apps that are one part of their solution is working inside of the checkout. Product recommendations are, of course, very easy example of that what you've been doing a lot onto like a shop pages, product page, listing pages, even cart. Now you can do a lot of those things in the checkout. And I'm sure that we will see a much more checkout related development in the future. And why it was important now, it was that they came up with 14 new extension APIs and a lot of UI components that we can use within the checkout. And that opens a lot of new opportunities. There have been plus merchants with customizations, and they haven't yet moved to new checkout. They have been waiting, maybe something that they've done earlier wasn't available yet. Now it's most likely is. And now there's also a lot of new things that we can do that we were not able to do earlier. Maybe a simple answer here in the Nordic market is the pickup points. You have been able to have pickup point list and some sort of map, and now you can have a pickup point map in the new checkout too. And many other things like, let's say free shipping threshold, progress bars, whatever. So I'm pretty sure that this checkout part is the biggest issue, the biggest update, biggest improvement that came along. But there's also other important things, and one which I really like is this fulfillable inventory. It sounds very technical and a very background thing, but what it actually means that Shopify is really coming to the enterprise space. This is one step further that we can build everything on one Shopify instance. We have one brand, multi-country, and we can also now, with order routing rules and this full for these local business entities, and then we have basically a solution that everything can work in one environment.
Super, thanks Tero. That's very interesting indeed. Tune in for a webinar with Tero, myself, and our trusted platform partner, Clevu, where we will delve into details about these edition updates. What do they mean for merchants? What should merchants know right now? How to plan rest of the year? Hope to see you soon.